Alright guys, it's kind of hard to see on camera here, but I got patched up the big lumpy spot that was in there, getting it worked around. There's some fiberglass resin in there. It's gonna look, I'm trying to make it look nice and smooth without cutting the whole thing out and putting a fin fender in, like tubbing it or anything, trying to keep it as stock as I can in that sense. You can see the difference from here. And that's kind of how it was whenever it started. This big ridge down here, in here, these. But I welded all the holes shut. So see over here, I have my body worked. That's kind of what I'm doing the whole way around. Alright, so I basically pound those down. It's not a whole lot, I'm just trying to bring it all to where there's one level. I can bring it all up to the same level and then sand it smooth. That's what I did over here. Alright guys, so after about a dozen failed attempts and an hour crawling around the ground, I think I finally got all the bolts out. I should be able to take off the entire fender. Now I can really get in there and make sure the lines are nice. Alright, now that I got everything off, I'll clean up in here. I can paint up to here and actually have a nice line. Alright, now after you get another flurry of mistakes and just bolts, you guys get to see the magic of construction. Alright, I should have this fender off, but typical fashion, I probably missed the bolt somewhere. I actually didn't miss a bolt. Really glad I'm doing this though. It is filthy under here. There's a lot more rust than it looked like there was. And obviously, Western Pennsylvania car. Alright, got the hose and I cleaned everything with the greaser. I'm gonna give it a good spray to get it clean before I can start everything else. Alright guys, I think that's about enough for today. Got the fenders off, bumper cover off. It's washed down pretty good. Got a little bit of body work done. Another fender off. giant pile of crap that fell out from underneath the fenders. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, we'll see you next time.